It was the first day of class, and I was in all class. I was sitting. I was sitting in the class, learning my life. It was the first day of class, and I was in all class. It was the first day of class and I was in all class. I was sitting in the class, then my heart beat fast. I wondered why this happened, but it's the time I felt it. Then the fast beat didn't end, for I might see the person who's making it. I looked at my seatmates and they have the same strong feeling. And the feeling that has a mysterious meaning, a meaning that makes our days flowering. Then I stared at the window, and the wind blew. A guy opened their gate with his smile. I with my sight. There, I saw Mr. Alvin Rivera. I was really shocked. I shouted, "Mga mana, si Alvin!" I go tell them, they all the girls in class shouted. Our long-time prayer to see him was granted. And then Mom entered the room. We all hardly returned to our seats Zoom. Here we are hoping so that we return to the moments we earlier had.